Dear Dar Saab, you are from USA, and I want to ask you that how you feel and what is your opinion about the tenure of Chief Justice Saqib Nizar, who is the Chief Justice of Pakistan. What do you think?
Thank you for asking the question. Unfortunately, I do not have a good opinion of him or his tenure. He has created more problems for the judiciary than he solved. By using the judiciary to please his own desires and not following the law, as the law requires a judge to be. He manipulated the judiciary as his own tool to impose his own will, not the justice.
Good.
Unfortunately, he cannot be considered a judge, an impartial judge, but a judge, a person ought to please his own desires as he saw him fit, to please his own ego, nothing more, nothing less. More likely, he did not have an education to be judge or relate to the law, but to his more likely relating himself to his own personal feelings about the matters, which is forbidden in judiciary, and no one will ever or no one ever considers their own feelings about the judgment but as the law requires. Unfortunately, he is not the only one, but most of the time Pakistan judiciary is suffering from the lack of understanding of the word law and the crime. They have no opinion or they have no knowledge of how the system works, how it should be, and how they should act. But all they do is they are mimicking the one before them and trying to be a British judge than to be a judge of Islamic Republic of Pakistan. Thank you very much.